Shandong Great Machinery Company Limited. It is a professional manufacturer of large-scale hollow blow molding machine, and the developer of the world's first large-scale multi-layer double-station blow molding machine. Located in Weifang City, Shandong Province, with a modern production plant and advanced R&D center, we can provide users with large-scale blow molding equipment with co-extrusion technology from 2 to 12 layers, with processing capacities ranging from 20 liters to 35,000 liters. The company has introduced advanced production equipment both domestically and internationally to ensure that each machine can meet strict quality standards. With an R&D team composed of senior engineers and technical experts, we have always been committed to the innovation and breakthrough of hollow blow molding technology, constantly improving the technical content and market competitiveness of our products. The company can, according to the specific needs of customers, we can provide customized equipment solutions. It can be used to produce vertical and horizontal plastic drums, IBC ton drums, chemical drums, pallets, barricades, water barriers, kayaks, mobile toilets, car fuel tanks, to meet the production needs of different industries. The company has a mature service system, including pre-sales product design, machine commissioning, in-sale docking, site installation, commissioning training services, after-sales service. During the warranty period, some parts are replaced free of charge, as well as remote, online services. Products are distributed throughout Asia, the Middle East, America, Africa and other 20 countries and regions. With our strong technology, we are favored by customers in various countries.